Hey everybody, my name is Lou Phillips and I'm a recreation programmer. Today, I'm going to share with you an easy craft that you can do at home. Today, we're going to make egg carton wheels. Let's check it out.
This is a recycled craft as we are using an empty egg carton. If you don't have an empty egg carton at home, that's totally fine. We can improvise and modify along the way. For my modification, I used a paper plate. And if you don't have a paper plate, you can just draw your wheel on paper and just cut it out afterwards. To get me through this task, I listed the items I used ahead. They are egg carton, paint and paint brushes, construction paper, glue, googly eyes, pipe cleaners, scissors, paper plate, and markers. This craft is fairly easy and self-explanatory. The main objective here is just to have some fun, and anything goes. Just use your creativity and just have fun as you go. To get started, what I did was I cut out 2 compartments of the egg carton, and then I took the paper plate and I painted them light blue. To get the light blue, I mixed blue and white together and came out with the color that you see before you. Now this can be as dark or as light as you want it to be. It's totally up to you. I then took that same paint and painted 2 pieces of construction paper that I would later use for the detail. While those pieces were drying, I made myself templates for the fins, as you can see in the back. That's totally optional. You can after cut everything out freehand if you want. Totally up to you. I chose to make these stencils, and then after the paint was dry on the paper, I just traced and then cut out after. To assemble, you can just use your creativity and just assemble and put your fins where you want them to go. For the blowhole, I use pipe cleaner. If you don't have pipe cleaner at home, that's fine too. You can just improvise with something else. This is a craft that's just made to be fun. Use your creativity. And I can assure you, once you get started, you'll have a whale of a time.